Awesome. A big welcome and a big congratulations for making it to module 4. Now, this is the start of a really good module because we're getting into our reach strategies, our booster strategies. We already have a really well optimized Instagram account. It's going to convert anyone who comes across it into a follower or into a sale. We also have some amazing content we're starting to put out there to the people who already follow us. But what I'm going to show you how to do in these strategies is how to boost that content into people on Instagram who don't even know you exist yet. People who are out there browsing their Discover feeds. I'm going to show you how you can get your content out onto everybody else's Discover feeds, even if they don't follow you. And the best thing is that we're going to make sure that they're targeted people. We're going to make sure that they're genuine and targeted people who will have an interest in your products, an interest in your service, and an interest in your content. We're going to be funneling these people back using these strategies. We're going to start by decoding the Instagram algorithm, making sure you know exactly how it works, and therefore you know exactly how to hack this algorithm in your favor in order to display your content to as many people as possible. We're going to do this using tactics in your caption, using hashtags. We're going to go through that in detail now. We're going to use content stacking and power engages, DMs and like groups, all these things, whether you've heard of them or you haven't. We're going to go through step by step in detail. So at the end of this module, you're going to be really well versed in all of them, and you're going to really start to see your Instagram account start to take its first steps in its exponential growth.